So, as you can see, I'm UBCO Heat Hall game, and it's UBCO Vancouver. And so far we're losing, but right now we're making a comeback. So yeah. Oh, I painted my face our colors, and I've been asked to join the Heat, become an official member of the official Heat fan club, or Heat fan club thing. This is really cool, and I'm going to get initiated in the next game, which is right after this game. So I joined the fire brigade thing. I guess this is what it means to be a fan of the fans. So I got this water bottle that I've always wanted since we really wanted to be and then I got this shirt. It's red. And it says fire brigade. I'm not too sure why it says fire brigade though. That's that, and on the front it says Okanagan, but I think it's red. A lot of people, because you know, we're blue, and it's your loyalty. So the boys are playing volleyball now, and it was the coolest thing ever. There's this lady, and she's knitting, and I was like, okay. And then this guy climbed the wall and scored a point. I mean, he climbed the wall and hit the ball. Just like really get